Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel, and today's video is quite of a different one than my usual uploads because we will be going over a new airdrop campaign that has just been announced. And yeah, guys, we are talking about DEGE Coin. DEGE Coin, yes, guys, it has been trending for the past few days because of Trump, and they have just announced a new airdrop campaign as a way to promote their project even more. So this could be an amazing way for you or your friends to, start building your crypto portfolio, or even, if you already have some crypto, you build it even more. Because they are giving away basically free money. Okay, listen closely. First and foremost, open up your browser, as you guys can see right here. Don't worry, guys. I will leave the link in the description below, and will be in the pinned comment as well. And once you're on the website, of course, you will be welcomed with, a little bit of Dogecoin and a nicely designed website. I really like this. It's nice and clean. As you guys can see right here, join the DEGE revolution and claim your free DEGE tokens. There's 1 million total tokens, 10,000 participants already, and 7 days left. So you still have a little bit of time, but I wouldn't take it for granted. And under that, we have a black button where it says claim airdrop. Once you click on that, a small pop-up window will show up, prompting you to connect your wallet, as well as like Software Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, BitGet Wallet. And if you click on all wallets right here, it will show you the rest of the wallets which are available, like Exodus, basically all the main popular Solana wallets that are available right now. So I'm sure your wallet will be here. And once you connect your wallet, the system will check your eligibility and see how much DEGE tokens you're eligible to claim. It will show you the amount you're eligible, and if you're happy about that, just hit continue, and you should be good to go. These tokens are on their way to your wallet. But do keep in mind, guys, that there's a lot of traffic on the website at the moment, so the waiting time is around 15 to 20 minutes for the tokens to hit your wallet. But yeah, guys, that is basically it. There's no much information you really need. I will leave all the useful links in the description below. And yeah, that is basically all from me. Thanks very much for watching this video. I am out. Peace.